Peekaboo, I see you. Oh, hi, I'm Zoe. Remember me? Last week I showed you how to make scrambled eggs. And if you missed that video, go to Jai's YouTube channel. And now, this week I'm going to show you what is it like since COVID-19. So guys, because of COVID-19, school has been closed since March, and I can't get to see my teacher in person, nor my friends in person. I cannot see my family in Nigel in person, but I get to see them through WhatsApp. Thank God for WhatsApp. I miss my family in Nigel. I miss my grandma's cooking.
Boy, Zoe, I wish you were here.
I miss going to the farm with my grandpa. And guys, I'm a grandma. My cow had a baby calf, but I missed the birth. And most of all, I miss going out with my friends to the beach, to the movies for ice cream, to the beach park. I miss everything about Negril. And I miss my family in Kingston. I can't wait to see them again. I'm bored in the house and I'm in a house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in a house bored most days. But I made the best of it. I go to my bed late and I wake up late. I have breakfast and I do work and I have breaks and I do even more work. And then I'm done for the day. I still do my ballet lessons and I practice my piano. And I do fun projects. There are so many good things about staying home. I wash my hair by myself for the first time. Yay! I get to ride my bicycle more. I make jewelry. I recycle. I've learned how to make eggs. And I can make pizza now. I get to bake more often. And I get to spend time with my mommy. We exercise. We chat and laugh and karaoke. Staying at home can be fun. All you need to do is just make it fun.